My name is Pam Sumner and I'm a professional engineer. I work for Sumner Engineering. As an engineer working with the greenstone ice panels, we kind of have the same phases as a traditional build. We have the conceptual phase, then the design phase, and then the post-construction. So for the conceptual phase, usually clients come to Greenstone and Greenstone comes to myself, and we decide which locations or applications the panels will be best suited for that particular building. From there, we move on to the design phase, and we would then spec the panels. So what that entails is reviewing the construction drawings for the project, the roof truss shop drawings, floor joist shop drawings, and then using all of those, I would design the greenstone panels for each specific location or application. Once that's done, then the drafting crew at Greenstone would generate shop drawings for the greenstone components. Those shop drawings would come over to me once they're complete, and I would review them for conformance with the design. And once everything is good, I stamp the shop drawings. So there's isometric or prefab views as well as individual shop drawings for each panel. Once that's complete, we go to the construction phase, and then once construction is complete for the greenstone components, before they're covered up, a review is completed by the engineer that stamped the project. Most greenstone reviews are conducted remotely, so what we do is we rely on the contractor to provide us with good images and videos of the build. So things we look for in particular is overall shots of the building and then closer up of particular components. Now those particular ones would be panelizing clips, corner connectors, any place where we have a beam pocket, columns recessed in walls, where there has to be particular attention paid to the detail of those connections. Basically what we're looking for is that there's the proper amount of screws, proper spacing between screws or connector plates, and overall that the project is complete.